If English is not the primary language for a parent or the child, should they both expect an interpreter along every step of the way?
Well, the agency does have the ability to request an interpreter, but they're not required by law to do so. So what I always tell people is if you can't communicate at all with the Child Protective Services worker, you really want to say that. Just make it as clear to them as possible in whatever fashion you can, speaking through a third party, writing notes that you cannot understand. If you can understand enough, either you or your child, but there's a language barrier, you're multilingual and English is not your first language, then you really want to insist that you have an interpreter. And in the circumstances where there's not an immediate threat, there's no imminent risk of harm, there's not a concern about removing a child from a harmful situation, but they just have to find out what happened, in those circumstances you're much more likely to get the agency to cooperate with you and give you an interpreter. So you just need to tell them what the need for language assistance is.